5 cubes. Where'd they come from? Buy one, get one. That's why one of my favorite things about Cryptoys, right? They give away so many cool things, don't they?
Yeah.
All right, so because we have these 5, let's go through. Maybe we'll get a new one. Maybe we'll get some dupes. Will this be 1 cube in this video? Will it be all 5 in this video? It depends on our luck. They're all wave 2s, so we're still looking for that common trap jaw, right, to complete. That'll be the last of the 1983 set, so we're really hoping for that common trap jaw.
Oh, and Battle Cats. He's still...
Oh, well, yeah, but we only have wave 2 cubes, so we can't get the Battle Cat in this bunch.
Oh, right.
Peppermint Orca would be cool. Rust Trapjaw would be cool. Orange Trapjaw would be cool. So there's a few. So with that, we have 5. What's it going to be, kiddo?
1.
Numero uno. Let's see what we get. Let's go uno. And how you feeling? Feeling positive?
Yeah! If we get a common in this...
Well, common trap jaw we need, so that would be alright.
Yeah.
And, we tried for so long to get him and couldn't. And now we got 1 in a video, another one in the next video, and then another one now. We went from 0 for months to 3 all at once. Unbelievable. All right, but that means it's time to go again. All right, 1 again? All right.
Don't ask me.
Nikki's got a strategy.
Which one?
See if it pays off.
First place is the best. Number 1, it's the first one. So, first and 1, they are 2 different names for the same thing. So basically...
Are you done?
Yeah. You get it.
Yeah. Oh boy. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Come on.
Give us something good.
Yeah.
What we got? Common trap jaw. Yes! 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 You guys have never seen people so excited about a common. Now wait a minute. You stay right there for 1 second. You guys stay right there. No, you guys don't go away. I'm gonna show you something.
Oh my god, I can't believe that.
There he is. There's that common trap jaw. You're looking at a digital recreation of the 1983 that I got in 1983. This is my original trap jaw, and there he is, side by side. Now, this one's not nearly as cute as that one, and his head's not nearly as big, but that's awesome. So, let's do it right here and now. Ready? Boom. 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 There we go. Check it out.
The first ever trap jaw.
So, we've got all the 1983s. Now, the only thing that we really still need is we don't have any Wave 1 cubes, but we'll get some more along the way because we really need that uncommon Battle Cat, because that's him as Cringer. And then we have to have him as Battle Cat. And then we'll have really all the originals. Oh! What happened?
Well, oops.
But I didn't do that.
Yeah.
And he just... Wait a second.
Do it. Seal.
No, he's still sealed. Weird. So it did when I went from one tab to the other, then I came back. It looked like it unwrapped him, but it didn't, because he is still sealed.
Well, I don't really even know what it looks like when he got unwrapped. I forgot.
Well, yeah.
Alright.
There we go. Look, why is he cross-eyed? Look, he looks silly.
Yeah, he is cross-eyed.
Ah, man. So there we go, 1983. Check it out, guys. Super exciting. What a great pull, you know? I mean, it's a common. You would think that with so many that we would have had him by now. But now we do. Yes. Yes. Excited over the commons because this is how we're building our collection. Very, very cool. All right, guys. We'll see you. And by the way, so we are recording this on October 25th. And you'll have this the morning of October 26th. If you're watching it, it means it's the 26th. And that also means that Star Wars Wave 2 releases on the 26th. So the next video that you see will be Star Wars Wave 2. The characters are Obi-Wan Kenobi, Darth Maul, and Padme. So hopefully we have some cool stuff coming up there soon. We will have to start filling it in, because there it is, ready to go and waiting. I've had this prepped. So, coming soon, Star Wars Wave 2 videos. See you guys.